Want to turn a state, regional, or provincial flag into a stylish pattern necktie? How about your favorite football team's banner? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to prepare your flag image and upload it to our preset template to instantly create your own repeating flag pattern tie. Hi, I'm David from myties.net. For this tutorial, we'll be using Minnesota's recently redesigned state flag. Before uploading, make sure your file is the right size. The ideal dimensions are 500 pixels wide by 350 pixels tall, or the same proportions, which is a 5 to 3.5 ratio. Crop the flag tightly, leaving no margins around the edges. This ensures the pattern fills every tile cleanly without any white borders showing. From the Create a Pattern Necktie product page, click on the Personalize this Design button. In the Personalize Your Design panel on the left side of the screen, click on the Change Image button. Click Upload Media. Select the flag image on your computer and click Open. Select the flag image you just uploaded. Your flag pattern is automatically created on the necktie. To begin the final review of your necktie, click on the blue button in the upper right-hand corner labeled Next Design Back. This shows you the design on the back of the necktie. Click the blue button one more time. As a final check, click the thumbnails on the right side of the screen to preview your necktie. If you have to address an issue, return to the artboard by clicking Design at the top of the screen. If there are no issues, click Add to Cart to begin the purchase process. For a seamless experience creating your custom flag necktie, upload a flag image file that is 500 by 350 pixels, or a file of the same proportions. Crop it tightly, leaving no margin. Check out my other Create a Pattern products that allow you to create personalized neckties with your own artwork. The link is below.